Salini, start now with your self-introduction and about the topic.
Jai Hind sir and Jai Hind everyone. I am Salini Moore. I hail from the homeland of a great warrior, Babu Veer Kunwar Singh, that is Jagdishpur, Bhojpur, Bihar. I have completed my 12th from SG Jain College Ara with 89% marks, and currently I am pursuing my graduation from Maharaja College, a branch of Veer Kunwar Singh University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is in transportation business and my mother is dedicated homemaker. In my free time, I used to listen music and read history books. And in my strength, I am cheerful, cooperative, and I never give up easily. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is one of the most respected job in India, and at the same time, it enhances many career opportunities at very low age. That's all about me. Now moving to the topic that is assigned to us, NCC. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. It is established in 1946 on the co- on the committee based organized by the Pandit Hridayanath Kundru. It is a tri service organization basically designed to give training to the cadets of all the three wings. All the three wings, that is air, naval, and army wing, are a part of are a part of NCC. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next candidate, Sagar Kumar.
Jain sir and my dear friends, my name is Sagar Kumar. I am from Samli, Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th from UP board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket. My strong point is that I am hardworking. I want to join Indian Air Force because I serve the nation. I would like to speak on this topic. My topic NCC. Full form of NCC, National Cadet Corps. NCC means it provides military training to students and create enthusiasm to join Indian Armed Force. And its headquarters is situated in New Delhi. And NCC convert a weak person into a strong person. NCC certificate holder person gets many advantage in government job. We NCC should be made compulsory every and each educational institution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Okay, next candidate, Shubham Sharma.
Yes, dear friend, good morning, gentlemen. I am Shubham Sharma. Completed my 10 plus 2 with PCM subject. Now I am pursuing BSc from Vikram University, Ujjain. I belongs to Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and my hobbies are listening music, gardening, and sport also. The best job opportunity and career security are two major reasons that I joined this force. Dear friend, the topic assigned to us is NCC. NCC stands for NCC Cadet Corps. It is a youth organization in India that aim to develop character, discipline, and leadership qualities among the young pupil. There are three types: NCC A, NCC B, NCC C certificate. The NCC is open to students from the school and colleges to provide with opportunity for community services, advanced activity, and military training. The organization is divided into the Army, Navy, and Air Force wings, and participants have the chance to learn about this branch of the Indian Armed Force. Thank you.
Next, Aditya Kumar.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Aditya Kumar. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 education with PCM stream from UP board. My father is a diligent farmer and my mother is a good dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are reading newspaper, running and playing outdoor games like cricket, volleyball, etc. I want to join Indian Agniveer because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland. And its logo Nav Sparsham Deeptam inspired me. Thanks you. That's all about me. Here I am going to discuss our GD topic. GD topic is NCC should be compulsory in school. As we know that friends, NCC is compulsory and it is promote to student to going military forces like Air Force, Navy, Army. As we know that friends, NCC means that National Cadet Corps. As we know that friends. It is set up by the Hardiyanath Kundu. As we know that friends, it is very beneficial for the development, leadership, discipline for the students. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate, Aniket Kumar. Next candidate, Aniket Kumar.
Hello, Vajay.
Yes, continue, Aniket.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar. I am from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for woodwork, furniture work, and also famous for Masako Retail Care. I have recently completed my BSc with PCM from CGS University, and I have also good academic career in 10th and 12th standard also from UP board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a shopkeeper, and my mother is a private teacher. My hobbies are playing cricket and cooking food. I want to give them adventure and discipline in life. Today, our GD topic is NCC. NCC means National Cadet Corps. It is established in 1948 and it is regulated by Ministry of Defense. It is a very good opportunity for youth to serve our nation in a school and college life because in NCC the commander will teach you how to tackle in a critical situations and how to tackle defense equipments like weapons like guns and many other equipments. It teaches honesty, courage, friendship, and discipline. NCC filled a student with the feelings of patriotism. We can join in NCC in 3 wings like Air Force, Navy, and Army. The students of NCC participate in the Republic Day. So, further discussion in GD. Thank you so much.
Okay, next candidate, AK Yadav. AK Yadav.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ankit Yadav and I belong to Kosambi, Uttar Pradesh. I have passed my 12th in 2023 from UP Board Hindi Medium and currently pursuing Bachelor of Science from Ram Satyendra PG College. My father, Mr. Jaikaran Singh, is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives best opportunity to serve the nation and at the same time ensuring job security. I will be very fortunate if I get a chance to be part of Indian Force. Gentlemen, we are going to discuss about the topic NCC should be mandatory or not. In my opinion, it is a debatable topic. NCC means National Cadet Corps. It was established in 1948 and it is a youth organization. It is a youth organization. It aims to educate people about basic military training and discipline. Uh, NCC activities include march, drill, and parade. Uh, Students of NCC can be benefited in career opportunities, especially in armed forces as like Army, Navy, and Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Next candidate, Aisha Shukla.
Thanks, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Aisha Shukla. I am from Kanpur, located in Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for leather and textile industries. I have done my schooling from Jawan Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kanpur Dehat in 2022 with CBSE board. I would love to listening songs and playing badminton. There are 4 members in my family, including me. I'm self-motivated, goal-oriented, and passionate about my work. I'm ambitious to join Indian Air Force because it gives us a platform to serve the nation with glory. At the same time, it ensures job security as well. Now move on to our topic, which is NCC should be compulsory in school. So it is also said that NCC is a military training, and compulsory of this training helps to form a kind of a reserve force which can be very helpful during the times of war and the times of natural calamities. It also transforms people for a good military training, and it also this training makes people very humble and disciplined and fulfill the maturityness inside the pupil, and it also instills a kind of sense of patriotism. Now I will further discuss in GD.
Okay, next candidate, Khushi.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Khushi. I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class from UP board in 2022 with 80% and currently I am pursuing BSc from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. There are 5 members in my family. My father name is Mr. Sanjay Singh. He is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing badminton, doing yoga. In my strength points are I can adjust myself in any situation. I have friendly nature. That's all about me. Now I come my topic. Dear all friends, we are here to discuss on the topic which is assigned to us, that is NCC should be compulsory. Dear friends, NCC, the full form of NCC, that is National Credit Corps, and NCC days are observed on the fourth Sunday of November. The NCC was raised on 15th July 1948 in New Delhi, which was the fourth Sunday of the November month in 1948. Dear friends, if NCC should be compulsory in our country, every government or private school, so it is more beneficial for us because throughout the NCC we gain
Okay, next candidate, Prem Kushwaha.
Jain friends, I am gonna tell about myself. My name is Hemant Kumar. I am from Bhojpur, Bihar, which is famous for Mahadevi Temple. I have passed my 12th in science stream and pursuing graduation from Virpur University, Ara. There are 4 members of my family. My father is a businessman, my mother is queen of the house, and we are 2 siblings. List of my positive points: I can adjust myself in any condition. I am physically fit and mentally strong. My hobbies are playing cricket and appreciating music, and I want to be an airman because this is the service of total devotion, dedication, sacrifice, honor, and discipline, and also great opportunity to serve our country. That's all about me. We here discuss on the topic NCC. NCC is National Cadet Corps. It is an organization which is regulated by our Ministry of Defense in 1948. The student who has 10th plus and the 10th plus and the mentally fit, physically fit and mentally strong to join NCC because NCC teach us the honesty, courage, how to handle the funds, how to handle the, and I will discuss further on GD.
Next candidate, Anubhav.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Anubhav from Badai, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for many historical buildings. I have passed my 12th examination from RKS Minto College and currently pursuing Bachelor of Arts 3rd year from HSD College. My hobbies are playing cricket, piano and volleyball. I wanted to join Indian Air Force as I have enthusiasm to do something for my country. That's all about me. Now coming on to our GD topic, which is should NCC mandatory in schools or not? Friends, NCC means National Cadet Corps, which was structured on 1948, which is controlled by the Ministry of Defense. In NCC, there are 3 type of certificate: A, B, C, and in NCC, students learn that how to spend a courageous, adventure, and honest, fully life. And then there are many benefits for the NCC candidate as they get benefit in many jobs. And they can participate also in Republic Day parades. I will continue my further discussion in my GD. Thank you.
Next candidate, Ayush Malkoti.
Jai Hind, respected sir and dear aspirants. I am Ayush Malkoti from Porigar, Uttarakhand, as known as Devbhoomi. I have completed my 10th class from Government Higher Secondary School Malkot and 12th from Janata Inter College Kamalpur Sangla Koti. At the present, I am pursuing BCom second year from SOL Delhi University. My hobbies are to play cricket and listen to rap music. My life aim is to join Agniveer Vayu, where I can contribute to the defense and security of our beloved country. Thank you, sir and aspirants. That's all about me. Now come to our GD topic, which is assigned to us, and our GD topic is NCC should be mandatory in schools. So friends, NCC, first of all, NCC full form is National Cadet Corps. So friends, NCC started on 15 July 1948. It combines three services which are Army, Naval and Air Wing. NCC main motive is to spread motivation to the young youth of India and also give them disciplined life in the school. Since they will get in future, they will get the strict life for their journey of the defense, joining of the defense. So NCC is a good part in the school. So in the further discussion, I will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of.
Next candidate is Smritu.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Smritranjan from Odisha, Cuttack, which is famous for Varavati Stadium. I am completed my class 12 from Salapur Secondary School and I am currently pursuing graduation from Salapur Autonomous College. My hobbies are like playing cricket and reading newspaper in free time. I want to join Agnivir Bayu because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland after completing my class 12. Thank you friends, this is all about to me. Now I am coming to our GD topic which is assigned to us, that is NCC should be compulsory in school and colleges. In my opinion, NCC should be compulsory in every school and colleges because NCC gives a best opportunity to join in Indian Armed Force such as Naval, Air Force and Army at a lower age. You know that NCC stands for National Cadet Corps and New Delhi is the headquarters of the NCC. The advantage of NCC, that is it allow to develop their personality and discipline, teamwork and that is adventures and activities. So the disadvantage of NCC, like it requires a lot of dedication and commitment from the cadets. So we know that in the cadets of the NCC there is three certificate, NCC A and NCCB and NCC. We know that see in the some defense exams there is a some exams like the NCC through. Thank you.
Next, Ravi.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Ravi Prakash. I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th class from State Board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from State University. There are 9 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. We are 2 siblings. My hobbies are running and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a respectful personality and adventurous life. Now I come to the topic, that is NCC should be mandatory in schools or not. First of all, full form of NCC is the National Cadet Corps. The National Cadet Corps is a youth organization in India that aims to develop character, discipline, leadership among our young citizens. NCC was structured in 1948. NCC filled a student with the feeling of patriotism and disciplined life. Students are taught basic skills and trained to develop weapons. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate Asutosh Singh.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because his duty and discipline are always attached to me and I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. And now we are here to discuss on the topic. The topic is NCC. NCC should be compulsory in school or not? NCC means National Cadet Corps. It was established in 15th July 1948 and which is regulated our Ministry of Defense, and NCC headquarters in New Delhi. NCC teaches basic training as drill training and weapons training, and NCC learns to courage and discipline and honesty. And in NCC we can join 3 types with Air Force, Navy and Army. And NCC NCC gives 3 certificate: A certificate, B certificate and C certificate. And NCC, by the help of NCC, the youth will self-empower and can serve our nation. Thank you.
Next candidate Rohit.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Rohit. I belong to Hardoi. Located in UP, there are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a perfect homemaker. I have done 12th from UP Board, BA recently by Kanpur University. My hobbies playing cricket and reading newspaper. I am hard-working person. I am goal-oriented person. That's all about me. Dear friends, we are here to discuss about the topic of NCC. NCC means National Cadet Corps. It is a young organization. Aim of the develop character as a discipline, unity, friendship. NCC is established in 1948, and NCC is a very important tool in not only our nation but also all students. And it can main motto discipline and unity. NCC is taught skills, manners and discipline etc.
ओके कैंडिडेट्स, एक बार ध्यान से सुनिए। मैं 2 या 3 कैंडिडेट के नाम बोल रहा हूँ जिनको अभी इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत है। एक तो कैंडिडेट है शुभम शर्मा, आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है।
हाँ भैया।
NCC
टॉपिक मिलता है उसकी पहले प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। सेल्फ नोट आयशा शुक्ला, स्टार्ट नाउ डिस्कशन पार्ट।
Sir, for giving me this opportunity to initiate the topic. Uh, as military training, or we can say NCC, also makes people physically strong and the emotionally strong, and it also sometimes promote a equality between among the students and increase the women empowerment as well, because people of all classes will be trained in the same manner, and this also comes return in a make people united despite of having the class differences, and some people do not have enough strength to participate in such intense training, which is quite a threat for them.
Yes, dear friend, I agree with you. I want to add here are some point. If NCC should be compulsory every government or private school, so it is more beneficial for us, because throughout the NCC we gain a basic military training, and also if we include the NCC, then it's also include in our habits, and we are proper the time maturity. We are include the proper the time maturity and discipline also. So it is more beneficial for us.
Yes, dear friend, I agree with you. NCC must be compulsory in school and college, because in school, college, students learns basic training and drills training and weapon training, and after that he can serve our nation. And NCC are more benefits provides, because NCC gives reservation in education in quota. So by the help of NCC, we can join armed forces as Army, Air Force, and Navy.
Yes,
According to your opinion, but as we know that friends, NCC is very beneficial for the development of our students, because at school time
our nation and various capacity. Cadet participate in a wide range of activity, include prayer drills, social service, disaster management, adventure activities like trekking, rock climbing, and paddling, as well as training in weapon handling and firing.
Yes,
I am
gentlemen.
Sanjay and my formal is Striker. Here I would like to add one more
According to
point here.
me,
Friends, NCC should be compulsory in school because of we know that NCC has many.
and physically, mentally and physically strong, because NCC, we say that the NCC is the backup army. If any situation, in a critical situation like natural disaster, droughts, flood, and many other earthquake like situation, then we see, when we help, then the soldier will be help for our nations in a critical situations, because the soldier of NCC is mentally and physically prepared for this situation.
Yes,
I agree with
yes,
farmers.
and I agree with you. And I want to add here are some point. If we do NCC is also more beneficial for girls, because if a girl join NCC, then she make a self defense, and also so it is a more beneficial for a girl, because the also family are have a many fears to safety for girls. But if the girl are join NCC, then she make a self defense, and she protect herself without anywhere help. So NCC also the more beneficial, not only boys but also the girl. And also NCC is more beneficial for any government exam in a defense sector, because if we have a NCC, then we gain a more mark, we get a more marks throughout the NCC. So it is a more beneficial for us.
I
Yes,
agree
yes,
with your
gentlemen.
opinion,
I am
but as we
agree
know
with
that
got the
friends,
gentlemen.
NCC seat
NCC is very
I
beneficial for
certificate
the
as conductor.
development of our upcoming aspirants. As we know that friends, it is enhance patrioticity for the student. As we know that friends, NCC is a firstly practice
Yes,
for
yes,
the
yes, dear friends,
for
I
the.
agree with you in my point of view. NCC can join junior certificate and senior certificate. Junior candidate can join 8 to 10 class students can join, and 11 to university certificate. University candidates can join NCC. They can get certificate, A certificate, B certificate, C certificate. And if we talk about Indian Navy, if you have A certificate, then you can get a 2 marks. If you can get a B certificate holder, then you can get 4 marks. C certificate, then you can get 6 marks. Then if you are come in final marks in final merit list, then you can apply our NCC certificate, and then you can get a job in armed forces.
Yes,
Okay,
then
then
the cadets who got NCC certificate give chance for join direct vacancy in military forces after graduation, and also
is been established by
Yes, my
1948
dear friend,
under
I
the
agree
act
with
of
you.
NCC Act, our of the largest uniformed youth organization in the world, with over the 13 lakh cadets from various schools and colleges participate in its activity for every year. Gentlemen,
Yes, my dear
NCC
friend, I agree with
candidate
you that the
wear
motto of
a
the
special
NCC is
uniform,
Ekta and Antam. And
and
above the
boy
Ekta
and
means
girl can
Ekta
join
means continuity,
NCC.
and the discipline means like discipline to or follow the order of your commander. If your commander says that they help the poor and the drought persons, then you help this. And if the discipline, if the commander says you order that you stable at a one place, then you stable at this place.
I
according
am
to me,
agreed with
With
my
your
NCC.
thoughts,
opinion,
Havidar.
but
Here
as
I
we
would
know
like
that
to
friends,
add
if
one more
talk
point. Dear friends, we
negatively,
know
then
that
the
NCC is
mentorships are
very
required for the
NCC should be mandatory in
NCC
every
certificate
school
in the
because
at
NCC
school.
has.
As we know that friends, it is a very beneficial for the development of students. As we know that friends, NCC are established in 1948, which is motto is discipline and unity. As we know that friends, NCC gives the morality, humanity, and many more ethics things for the student. As we know that friends, getting the NCC certificate, A grade, B grade, C grade, then they are increase their ability and go to another job opportunities, then describes his ability. Thank you.
Yes, dear
According
friends,
to
I
me, at
agree on this point. In my
the
point of
time
view,
of
NCC is a good role in not only our life but also our nation. It is honesty, friendship, discipline. NCC fill the students with a feeling of patriotism.
Okay, if you talk about the history of
NCC
NCC,
is
then
the
we can
second
observe
line of
that
defense
the
of
NCC was established
Army,
during the
Navy,
First
and
World
Air
War,
Force. So
when
the
its
roles
motive
of
was to
NCC and
recruit
cadets are
recruits and officers
effectiveness,
during the
and they work in a
First
very
World War
disciplined
in the
life.
university
You know
box.
that it is a program and any student can join it to NCC. So the main motto of NCC is to create an organize and train and motivate the youth, and the main motivate is the discipline in our life. So you know that
Aco-
NCC cadets are provided training which is not so it to become a better citizens of our country. So it is also beneficial for them if we want to join in Indian Armed Force. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes,
According
dear
to
Harish.
me,
friends, the
at the
motto of
time of
NCC
war,
is a
as
unity in
time,
discipline. The NCC stated
NCC
value of
Indian
patriotism,
cadets will
self-awareness,
work.
If
and
our moral
teamwork
values
among its
inside are
candidates, shaping
stupid,
them
but
into a
it but
responsibility and
on
consequent
the other
citizens
hand, we have
who
to
are
see
ready
that
to contribute the
hurting or
program and
injuring
security
other
of the
people
nation
is
through a
contrary to the
combination of a
moral
classroom
values and
introduction,
beliefs of the
outdoor
nation.
activities,
So we cannot say that it is a
community
very
service
big
projected, and
beneficial
the
for us
NCC
because
play a vital role in a
the religious
holistic
belief of the
development
people
in
are
the
involving
youth.
in such a program cause emotional trauma for them. And even if someone is trained, they may not be able to take part in military operations like professionals. So they may forget the skills and time because of lack of practice. So we this also result brings in low quality of reserve forces.
It is a
I am a
Yes,
great
gentleman
man,
wants to
honorable
according to
speaker.
me,
Here I would like to add one more point,
I
dear
there are
friends.
some
We know
points.
that
If
NCC
we
should be
join NCC,
mandatory in school because in the
really
NCC
beneficial
where
for
the
us.
student
But we
get
can see in our country,
enthusiasm. And
every
friends, we
government
can
school have a
also
not NCC programs. Because if a student have a more skills and knowledge for NCC and they want to join NCC, but also the many government schools not the NCC program, so they cannot join NCC. So if I in my point of view, I think NCC should be compulsory every school, not only the government but also the private school. But because many students also interest for NCC in a private schools, and it is more beneficial for us because we join NCC, then it is increase that it's increase our maturity level and interest for join the different sectors, and also it's increase our strength level. So it is more beneficial for us, and it is very necessary to compulsory all over the country.
Yes, dear
Yes,
friends, I will
gentlemen, but
conclude
there
my
are
point in
many
my point of
challenges.
view.
Like
We can
not
join
all
NCC
students
in
may be
recent
interested
NCC
in
if you
military
want to
training,
get
and ending SNC as a mandatory can increase the pressure
in the
on the
graduation, it is
student
compulsory
who
for
has heavy
all the
academic
students to
loads.
join NCC in the fourth
Yes,
semester. So
dear
we can
friends, I
work
Every
agree on
student
this
is
point.
one
In my
want
point of
to
view,
be
thank you
we
thank
can
you for
join
the
NCC in
in his
three
life
ways.
because it will
Maybe
increase the benefit
Army and
in
Air
his life.
Force.
It is
Many students get several
not
advantages
give you
in
any
job of
only
Army
NCC. It
and
gives
Navy and Air
every
Force.
grade. Every person join to NCC because which one is fit in mentally and physically. The NCC gives you opportunity in many fields, like Air Force, Navy, and Armed Forces, and it is also give a chance to participate in a parade of Republic Day and Independence Day, and it is a very big opportunity for a student because it is a very proud moment for this.
according to
Yes,
me,
yes, dear friends, I
yeah,
agree with you. I add to
I
some
am
point.
agree with you,
NCC is very
gentlemen, but I
beneficial
am
for our
some
life
add
because
point now.
NCC makes students like discipline and honesty. And if you have NCCC certificate and you can serve, you can give training in NCC parade ground and Republic Day time. Then you can join without any written exam, give, and you can join in Indian Army.
Okay, friend, am I
Yes,
agree with
we
the
can
candidate who
As we
gets
know that
NCC
friends,
certificate, he chance to join
for
direct
the
vacancy
getting
in
the
military
NCC
forces and
certificate,
also
there
Navy
we
exam
need
for him
we
and also
cannot need
reservation for the
to give an exam in the form of written in Navy MR. As we know that friends, it is essential for the Republic Day and many schemes. As we know that friends, it is the first preparation of youth to become in armed forces like Air Force, Navy, Army. As we know that friends, it is very essential for the development of our India. As we know that friends, if I talk negatively, then there are a lot of money need to NCC. NCC. Thank you.
Crucial role in
Dear friends,
shaping
I may agree on
the
this point. In my
character
point
and
of view,
failure in the youth.
participant upon NCC cadets in community.
according to me, according to me, NCC can help many disaster management and critical situation like floods, war. Uh, NCC will work a reserve force in India. It compulsory in India. But according to me, but in my opinion, NCC develop many develop.
Yes, gentlemen, students of NCC wear a special uniform and participate in parade. Both boys and girls can join NCC and they can attend regular training session during their school and college.
Yes, dear friends, I will agree on this point. In my point of view, I would like to say that NCC is beneficial not only student but also country. So NCC is compulsory in all schools and colleges. In my point of view.
I agree with my
NCC should be made compulsory for each and every education system to provide a suitable environment to motivate the youth to take up a career in armed force, to develop character, discipline, leadership, secular and outlook. The youth of country. According to me, NCC should compulsory, especially for women, because NCC provides military training, so they protect themselves.
I agree to you,
I
gentlemen.
want to tell about NCC life. NCC life is very difficult, hard work, and they also the joyful. Like we have seen that cadets go for the trip and tour and chance for meet the colonel and the lieutenant colonel, other officers. They teaches him many good things, and also the candidates enjoy the trips in NCC.
In
Yes,
NCC,
my dear
there are
friend, I agree with you.
NCC compulsory many school and college, so many students they
And we can't go NCC cadets in a front position. We can't go NCC cadets in a front positions. But the NCC cadets help you in a back situations, like in a medical facility, and food provide to the warriors, to the soldiers in a war situation. But we can't go in a front position to the NCC cadets, and NCC cadets helps you in the back positions.
Through the
Yes, my dear friends, I have to give you a chance. I would like to add one more point here. Friends, we know that NCC is very good for the schools. It should be mandatory in the schools, but we have to also
So we can easily join any different sector without any hesitation and without any physical challenge, because if we join NCC, then we have also gain a basic military training and we are also physical and mentally fit. So NCC is more important for every person, and if NCC should be compulsory in our country, so it is more beneficial not for us but also our country, because after if the NCC are compulsory, then the joining of defense sectors increase day by day. We know very well our defense sector also the increasing day by day. Because of that, we are the physical fit and mentally sound.
Yes, dear friends,
according to
add one more point also, friends. As we all know that India is a country with a high population, and here the competition is increasing day by day. So if you have any type of certificate, then it will help you a lot of finding a job.
And in present time,
By
as
the
we are scheme, it
NCC,
is
if you get
not
any entrance
NCC
exam, then it
certificate is
helps a lot
not
of you, and the
rest of the army.
NCC feels the emotions of a patriotism in a particular student, and it is not only beneficial for a particular student but also to a whole nation. So it should be mandatory in particular in a school. Thank
To
you.
handle weapons.
I agree with your opinion,
India
but
is
as
the
we know
largest
that
country,
friends,
because, but it is compulsory and
NCC are very beneficial for the student, because NCC certificate holder are not need to give an written exam in Navy MR. As we know that friends, NCC disturb at 10+2 level, because many students are going in other sectors like doctor, engineer, police and bureaucrats. Then they are affected by the NCC because they are involved in PT and other physical activities. Then they are less progress mentality. Thank you.
The
Can
As
NCC
a
is
credit my
open
formal
to all
speaker,
regular
I would like
students
to add one more
of
point here.
school
Friends,
and
we know
college
that
on
NCC
a
should be
volunteer
mandatory in the
basis.
schools
NCC
because we know
turns a
that
weak
in the
person into a
NCC,
strong person,
NCC teaches
and
the
it makes
student to
strong and
be
healthy
in a
person.
unity. Friends, we
NCC
have to
candidate
also
holder
know this
person
in the
get
NCC.
many
Also,
advantage in government job. NCC should be made compulsory for each and every educational system to provide a good environment. So NCC is compulsory because India is the largest country, and high and population is increasing day by day. So NCC is very beneficial for everyone. It makes mentally and physically strong. We can many people cannot aware of health.
Partially agree with some of my batchmates have mentioned that the military training or NCC training should be compulsory. In my opinion, not everyone is interested to be in reserve forces, and some people have also a family responsibilities and do not afford to lose or lose a time in in a military training. So some people are the sole breadwinners for their families, and those who are forced to be in reserved forces may not work well in times of need because they are not willingly participated. So in my opinion, it should not be compulsory. It should be depends on the individual. If they want to participate, they can participate.
I agree with you.
The type
Yes,
of
yes,
NCC
I agree with your
training.
point. And yes, LCC training should be not compulsory. It is should be compulsory for every schools, but it cannot force anyone. If any person interest for do the NCC training, so they can
Okay,
join. But
candidate.
we can see nowadays many government.
Okay, candidates. Now we are going to conclusion of the topic, and Ashutosh Singh conclude the topic.
सर सेकंड ग्रुप कितने टाइम में स्टार्ट होगा?
Yes, dear friends, our topic NCC should be compulsory or not. NCC means National Cadet Corps, and it was implemented 1948, which is regulated the Ministry of Defense and its headquarters New Delhi. And NCC teaches the basic military training to students, and NCC teaches honesty and discipline and friendship. By the help of NCC, we can get reservation in education quota and defense benefits. SSC through we can join the officer and we can make our officers. So, thank you.
Okay, candidates. Now we end our today's session. और जो आज का अपना सेशन है वो बहुत ही अच्छा गया आप लोगों को। दो कैंडिडेट को मैंने बताया, एक तो शुभम और एक रोहित राठौड़। आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत है। बाकी के कैंडिडेट्स का